It was a sunny morning in July. Mia and her family were excited. They were going on a holiday. Mia was 10 years old. She loved holidays. This year, they were going to the beach. Mia woke up early. She jumped out of bed and ran to the kitchen. "Good morning, Mom." "Good morning, Dad," she said with a big smile. Her mom was making pancakes. The smell was delicious. "Good morning, Mia," her dad said. "Are you ready for our holiday?"
Yes.
"I can't wait," Mia replied. After breakfast, they packed their bags. Mia packed her favorite swimsuit, sunglasses, and a big hat. She also took her beach ball and a book to read. At 10 o'clock, they got in the car. Mia sat in the back seat with her little brother, Leo. Leo was 5 years old. He was very excited too. "Are we there yet?" Leo asked after 10 minutes. "No, not yet," Mia said with a laugh. "We have to drive for 2 hours." Leo pouted, but then smiled when he saw the trees outside. "Look at the trees," he shouted. Mia looked out the window too. The trees were tall and green. The sky was blue, with fluffy white clouds. After a while, they saw the ocean. "Look, the beach," Mia yelled. They parked the car and ran to the sand. The sand was warm under their feet. Mia took off her shoes and felt the soft sand between her toes. "Let's play," she said to Leo. They built a big sandcastle together. They used buckets and shovels. They made towers and walls. Mia put a little flag on top of the castle.
Wow.
"It looks great," Leo said proudly. After building the castle, they ran to the water. The ocean waves were big and fun. Mia splashed water at Leo, and he laughed loudly. "Stop it," he giggled, trying to splash back at her. Their mom called them from the beach blanket. "Time for lunch," she said. They sat on the blanket and had sandwiches, fruit, and juice. It was tasty and refreshing after playing in the sun. After lunch, it was time for more fun. Mia wanted to swim in the ocean. She put on her swimsuit and jumped into the water with Leo. The water was cool and felt nice on their skin. They swam together and played games in the waves. Sometimes they dove under the water to see fish swimming by. Mia saw a little fish that was bright orange and yellow. "Look at that fish," she shouted to Leo.
Wow.
"It's so pretty," Leo replied with wide eyes. They swam for a long time until they felt tired. They decided to rest on their beach towels under an umbrella. Mia opened her book and started reading about pirates and treasure maps. Leo played with his toy car in the sand next to her. After some time, their dad came over with ice cream cones. "Who wants ice cream?" he asked with a big smile. "I do. I do," shouted Mia and Leo together. They each took an ice cream cone. Mia chose chocolate and Leo chose strawberry. "This is yummy," Mia said as she licked her cone. Suddenly, Leo pointed at something in the sky. "Look, a seagull." The seagull flew down close to them, looking for food. Mia laughed as it squawked loudly. "Don't feed it your ice cream," their mom warned playfully. After ice cream, it was time for more adventures. They decided to go for a walk along the beach. The sun was shining bright, and they collected seashells along the way. Mia found a big shell that was pink and shiny. "Look at this one," she said excitedly. Leo found a small shell that looked like a spiral. "Mine is cool too," he said proudly. As they walked further down the beach, they saw surfers riding waves in the distance. Mia thought it looked amazing but also very hard. "Maybe one day I will learn how to surf," she said dreamily. The sun began to set, painting the sky with beautiful colors, orange, pink, and purple. It was time to go home soon, but they still had one last surprise from their dad. He took them to see a fire show on the beach. Fire dancers spun flames in the air while everyone clapped and cheered. Mia watched with wide eyes as the fire danced brightly against the darkening sky. It was magical. Finally, it was time to go home after a long day of fun at the beach. They packed their things into the car, tired but happy. On the way home, Mia looked out of the window at the stars shining in the night sky. She felt grateful for such a wonderful day with her family. "I love our holiday," she whispered softly as she closed her eyes. Leo yawned next to her, already asleep in his seat. Mia smiled as she drifted off too, dreaming of beaches, seashells, and all their fun adventures together.